What is up, guys? This is Quentin X, Ultimate Car Guy. I know it's late at night, but some bullcrap happened. And it is pretty hilarious, actually. It is actually pretty funny. Now, check this out. I was driving today. I got some pizza, of course. And I hit something on the road. Now, guess what? Here's what it sounds like now. Yeah, I have a fucking exhaust leak now because of what happened. And to be honest with you, it's kind of a funny situation. I mean, it is so weird. I definitely need to get this fixed. It sounds good though, I can't lie about that, but I know this is bad for the engine. I really enjoy the sound of it though, I can't lie about that. Like even going 30 miles per hour. Yeah, definitely. It's not loud to go fix it to you. I know it's not that loud. It's not that loud until I get into the really high revs. Now Tahoe is one of those cars that are kind of scary to see at night because all the cop cars are Tahoes now. Either they or an old Crown Victoria. I literally got pulled over today while I was at work. This is pretty funny, I can't lie about it. Now, here's what happened. You might be wondering why the camera quality isn't as high as it normally is. It's because I'm using my phone. It's been a while since I used my phone. And I kind of had to because, I was not expecting this to happen. Now, here's how it happened. I was driving, right, in a highway. There was this random creeper thing. Like, it was just a wood block with wheels on it, just in the middle of the freaking road. And I hit it in like 50 miles per hour. So I know it had to damage something. And guess what it did? That happened. That crap happened. And now my car sounds like I fucking put a muffler like a ricer. I just did a terrible job. And it's white. Where it sounds like it's coming from down here. Right behind the wheels. I can feel it too. I mean, it's pretty funny. I'm not really extremely angry about it. Now, I'm definitely going to go to my class, to my garage, and definitely check out what's wrong with it. Well, this was just a little funny thing that happened to me today. There should be a new video, guys. There should be another regular video coming out. So if you guys really like sports cars that are cheap, I make I recommend watching it. All right, have a nice night.